Okay, so paano naman tayo magde-derive ng formula from acceleration? So we know that acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So what if ang nawawala naman is yung time? Given ang final, initial, at may acceleration, paano natin kukuhanin ang time? So simple lang ang gagawin natin. So ilalagay natin siya sa triangle method. Paano ba yung triangle method? So, yung triangle method, so pag nilagay natin yan sa triangle method, so, ang nandito ay yung A. So, nasa taas ang VF minus I and then T. Nawawala si time, di ba? So, T, so lagay natin siya dito. Always remember na kung ano yung nandito sa left side, before nung equal, yun yung hinahanap natin. Alright? So, ang ibig sabihin nitong nasa taas na to, it is divide. Okay? So, to get the time, so VF, this one, minus VI, final velocity minus initial velocity, divided by A. Dahil given ang final, initial, at acceleration. So, yan. Ganun na ang ating magiging formula para sa time. Okay, so ito yung sa acceleration. And then, ito naman sa pagkukunin natin yung time. So, what if, given naman ang time, acceleration, and initial velocity? Paano naman kung ang hinahanap is final velocity? So, tingin ulit tayo sa triangle method. So, nasaan yung hinahanap natin na andito? So, siyang ilalagay natin ngayon dito sa before nung equal. So, VF or final velocity minus initial velocity equals. So, ano yung nasa baba natin? A and T. So, always remember that is times. Meaning to say, imumultiply natin yung acceleration times time. Now, paano natin maiiwan lang si VF, which is yung hinahanap natin? Alright, so VF equals, kasi yan yung hinahanap natin, dapat siya yung nandito sa left side before ng equal. Since ito, kailangan natin siyang ilipat sa kabilang side. So, AT, at alam naman natin, since ito ay negative, pag transpose natin yan sa kabilang side, it will become, from negative, it will become positive, and then the initial velocity. So, this will be our formula kung paano natin makukuha ang final velocity. Paano naman kapag ang hinahanap natin is yung initial velocity? Paano naman ang initial velocity? So, tingin ulit tayo dito sa ating triangle method. So, our initial velocity is nandito. So, VF minus VI equals AT. So, ito naman ang kinakailangan nating maiwan dito kasi siya yung hinahanap natin, the initial velocity. So, maiiwan siya dito, VI equals AT. At since ito ay positive, siya ay magiging negative pagdating dito, minus final velocity. Okay, but since ito ay negative, kailangan positive to. So, anong kailangan natin gawin? We have to multiply both sides by negative 1, okay, or negative 1. Okay, so negative times negative, of course, magiging positive na yan. Negative times negative, it will become positive. So, magiging positive na yung ating initial velocity. And then, so negative times positive, so it will become negative AT. So, since negative times negative, it will become positive VF. Or pwede na natin siyang pagbalik na rin. So, initial velocity is equal to VF. Okay, so minus AT. So, this will be our formula for, okay,